Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you 10 tricks of online earning in 2023. Let's start. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and get paid for your opinion. Some popular survey websites are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to earn money online. You can work as a freelance writer, designer, programmer, or anything else you're skilled at. Online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching it online. You can use websites like TutorMe, Chegg, and Varsity Tutors to find students. Selling products online. You can start an online store on platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. You can sell your handmade products or resell items you find at a lower price. Online data entry. Data entry jobs are available on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can earn money by typing data into a computer program. Virtual assistant. You can work as a virtual assistant for businesses and entrepreneurs. You can offer services like social media management, email management, and customer service. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting other people's products on your website or social media. You can earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Blogging. Blogging is an excellent way to earn money online. You can monetize your blog by placing ads, affiliate links, and selling products. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. You can teach anything you're knowledgeable about, from cooking to coding. App testing. You can get paid to test apps and websites. You can use websites like User Testing, Userlytics, and TryMyUI to find testing jobs.